Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can get up to 120 FPS in Roblox on your PS5 or PS5 Pro. First, go to your PS5 home screen and open Settings. Next, scroll down and select Save Data and Game/App Settings. From there, tap on Game Presets. Now look for the option that says Performance Mode or Resolution Mode. Make sure you switch it to Resolution Mode. Once that's done, launch Roblox like normal. If your TV or monitor supports 120Hz, Roblox will automatically run at a much smoother frame rate, giving you up to 120 FPS. That's all you need to do. No extra apps, no complicated steps. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick PS5 tips. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.